Bro, this is literally our second time being up for elimination. Bro, you have to step up our game or else we're gonna lose. I know. Well, I'm gonna go to the lightable, eatable. Oh god. That will be $1. You don't have $1? Oh my god, please, I'm so sorry. No, no. Hi, grappling hook. It's time for random foods at WAP. Now it's time for random foods at WAP. Random foods at WAP. Y'all really have to step y'all's game up. We got 3 votes. Well, I think I'm gonna get eliminated. Right now, the prize for these eliminations are onion rings. Grappling hook, ice cream, and Clippy. I will say for 0 votes. That was actually very good. Now, the 3 in the bottom 3. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I don't know what did I do wrong. Well, we can't really control that. We're gonna get eliminated no matter what. That's easy for you to say. And Robot McDonald and Toothy are safe. So, I'm actually eliminated? With 100% of votes, you are out. No, I don't want to get eliminated. No. The challenge is to do the fortune cookie. If you don't do what the fortune cookie says, you will pay the price. Crack. Eat me. Yum. I did it. Go to a supermarket to see your reward. That is very easy. Hey, what are you doing? No. What did you do to him? I was bored, so I killed him. This is the easiest ever. Yay. You're safe. This one is very easy. What is it, though? It was a sacrifice. Why did you have to kill me? They're safe. Break. Now it's down to IDK and error. Guys, we really just need a scarf. I know. Cheating will not let you win. Oh my god. Does that mean IDK is safe? You are up for elimination. Oh my god, no. Ain't no way we lost the 6th challenge, bro. When I get my hands on you. Write in the comments with square brackets to see who you want to be eliminated. Totally not copyright. Voting also available in the community section. Voting ends on the 22nd. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh crap, we are dead. That's what y'all get. No, that's what show y'all to not cheat. He doesn't like people cheating, right? I know.